Hello and welcome to the Chabis.ch YouTube channel, Peter Guhl speaking. I'm showing you another piece from my collection, which is this nice thing. It's actually a mouse or a trackball. You see here the ball, middle key, left key, right key. And here this is for your wrist. It works like this. Click here and so on. It's actually a standard PC model, PS2 connector. Here we have a button for the velocity or the precision, kind of. When you press it in, it's either slow or fast. You could change this on the fly. Here all the technical details. Let's see if we can make it, you read it. Yes, so for the record here is everything. For listening, you can change the settings via the dip switches. You can hear the whole thing. You can program the behavior of the keys and different things by setting the switches here on this side. And which side is which? Here we go. This side are switches, tiny switches. You set everything. This was pretty common those days. And then we have the model and so on. There is there an age? No, I can't see a clear information about how old this is, but I guess I have this thing for at least 20 years. Yeah, it must be about 20 years when I got it. So it must have been created in the early computer area, the earlier PC area. Not early computer area, that would be in the 60s, 40s, yeah, 50s, 1950s, but I guess in the 1990s somewhere. I think it might have been around 2000, the year 2000 when I got this. So, here you go. A nice little mouse substitute. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Where's this key? I can't see anything. Here.